What is the future product that's going to sustain the company, but also meet and delight our customers?
We are always try to be customer-centric. I'm a president of the company, but I go out to the store to understand what they're looking for. That's the heart and soul of the SOLUM America.
We're in New Jersey.
20-30 minutes from the capital of the world. We do have 3 different businesses. The first one is ESL, electronic shelf label.
From an ROI standpoint, cost standpoint, it's good for business. It eliminates a lot of needless costs, such as changing out paper tags every week and paying people to run around your stores to do it.
ESL technology is communicating with computer server using wireless protocol.
So AIMS is the software, I'll call it the brains that makes the system work.
They sending out all the images and pricings and information to the digital tech. The second product is a power business. We have a power module for the computer servers, TV sets. Our third business is charger business.
Breaking into the market, there was a couple of challenges. Number one, it was an infancy as an industry in North America. The other challenge was educating the North American retailer on the benefits of ESL. The ecosystem to support the business had to be developed, whether it be install partners, reselling partners, integrators, working with different software companies.
The first big customers that we started to engage was Macy's. We developed a very specific product that they were looking for. Everybody worked together. We delivered to them. They were like, wow. That was the breakthrough moment for SOLUM America. Other retailers, they started to listen to us. Okay, Macy's. We moved very fast.
About a year and a half ago, we introduced a new generation of ESL tech called Newton.
Newton changes many different things.
We really redesigned the internal makeup of the tag itself, set a new standard within the electronic shelf label industry. Prior generation of tag was around 5-year life on the batteries. With this, it's as much as 13 and a half years.
The longer battery life means they could have more usages, more LED lights, more page flips, more displays, more information.
It is the best electronic shelf label in the industry. Almost any attribute a business owner would care about, we've improved. Energy efficiency, processing speed, tag memory or capacity, LED lights built into the tag, which all can be programmed with the AIM software.
It is huge separation from our competitors.
So this saves on paper, printing, ink. So environmentally, it's better for the planet. So the interest has been growing over the last 4 years, 5 years. Labor shortage plus the cost of labor is driving interest and adoption. So we're expecting exponential growth this year.
We always listen to our customers, and then we work as a partner, not just a customer. We always having an entrepreneur mindset. We keep hiring very talented people. Every single employee in this company is working like family.
We look at it kind of as a startup. All of us are willing to jump in and almost do whatever activity is needed.
That's the culture that we have. We're not a big company, but we always aim big.